Namaste, all of you. The much awaiting JEE advanced paper has finished now. So, the salient features in the JEE Advanced 2021 are like this. This time, the uniqueness of the question paper is both papers having equal weightage. Paper 1 and paper 2 are having 180 marks each, total 360 marks. This is very unique. Since many years, it was not like this. Even the total marks of the advanced paper was not round figure like 360 marks, which is equal to the JEE mains up to 2019. So both papers having equal weightage. Even the same pattern of questions were there in the paper 1 and paper 2. The same four patterns were there: single correct multiple choice, multiple correct multiple choice, integer answered questions, numerical answered questions. These the same four patterns were also in the second paper afternoon. This is very special. Since I am observing this question paper since last 10 years, but never it was like this. And paper was difficult, especially paper 2. Paper 1 was moderate. The total level, difficulty level of these two question papers are similar to the last year. Last year was one of the toughest question paper. This year also it was like this. Paper 2 questions were very lengthy. Majority of the questions were having more than 4 or 5 lines. So the crucial thing was how to choose the question properly. That will be the biggest advantage, who chooses questions in the proper way. So once again, JEE advanced paper was proven that it was one of the toughest examination in the entire planet. So the question paper of JEE advanced is not about how much you know. It is how you handle the question paper, how you manage the stress, how cleverly you choose the questions. That will be the crucial thing for the success. So don't worry, students. So when the paper is very difficult, the cutoffs will come down naturally. So last year, for 50% score, students got rank around 1000-1200. If you get more than 60%, it will be like 200-300. If you get 80%, you will be in top 10, I'm expecting. Even if you get 40% of the score, you may get rank around 4000 to 5000. Even the qualifying marks will come down naturally. Last year it was reduced. Previous year was also reduced, because last 2 years were difficult, especially last year paper 2 was very, very difficult, especially maths and physics. So need not to worry. Even if you get 30% score, you may get some seat, some branch in some IIT. If you get 40%, you may get 2-tier IITs. You may get more than 50% maybe 55%. If you get more than 55%, you may get good branch in top 5 or top 7 IITs. So let us wait for the key. Don't worry. Don't be in tense mood. Be relaxed. You have completed a marathon 2.5 years preparation. That's why just it is a time to relax. It's time to enjoy. Be free. Be cool. धन्यवाद. भारत माता की जय.